did you know? Veldora Tempest struggles with suppressing his immense magicules due to his extraordinary power. This constant suppression is exhausting for him and poses a significant challenge. If Veldora were unable to suppress his aura and accidentally released it on Tempest, the consequences would be catastrophic. His immense power would have dire effects on the surroundings, turning the area into a land of death. This uncontrolled release of magicules could lead to the spawning of numerous dangerous monsters, potentially even at the level of a Calamity-class threat like Charybdis. The death toll among weaker beings, including many citizens of Tempest, would be enormous, as most would not be able to withstand the intensity of Veldora's aura. However, thanks to Lumina's Embrace Drain technique to help Veldora release his excess magicules, allowing him to return to normal. This technique involved Lumina's draining Veldora's magicules while causing him pain, which also served as a form of revenge for Lumina's.
ついに来たようだな。我のオーラを解放する時が。では、行くぞ。
やっぱり師匠ってすごいで、私の迷宮が歪むとは思わなかったさ。かなり我慢してたんだな、ベルドラのやつ。来た来た来た来たよ。ダンジョン中に師匠の強力な魔素が行き渡っていく。作戦成功だね、リムル。
出るぞ出るぞ、抑え込んでいたオーラがまだまだ出るぞ。よくぞ来た。歓迎するぞ虫けらの。暴風竜からは何人たりとも逃げられぬぞ。